Hello, my name is Egidijus and I will tell you why I think Hyundai Motor Company will outperform. Hyundai Motor Company is a global manufacturer of automobiles based in South Korea. Its business consists of three parts: the vehicle manufacturing segment, the finance segment which provides vehicle financing services and credit card services, and the other segment which includes activities from R&D to construction of railways and other products. Hyundai is a safe investment because it has a well geographically diversified portfolio. 17% of company sales come from Korea. Hyundai is launching new car models in the company's domestic market to benefit from its strong macro position at the moment. 19% of sales come from North America. The region is expected to show stronger recovery next year, and this will help Hyundai to keep increasing car sales. 15% of revenue is generated in Europe, where due to lagging economy, Hyundai is planning to focus on qualitative growth over quantitative growth. 31% of sales are made in Asia, mainly in China and India markets. However, even being well diversified, the company may be harmed by the South Korean won strengthening against the US dollar and euro, or by slower than expected growth in Europe, USA or China. Knowing the general trends, let's look at Hyundai more closely. Let's compare two models, bullish and bearish. In the former one, we will use the whole predicted scenario where due to the fate part and CFRY and asset growth will gradually fall. In the latter one, we'll assume that CFRY drops to zero and the asset growth becomes negative in the next 5 years. The warranted price in the optimistic scenario is 51% higher than the market price, whereas in the pessimistic one, the warranted price is only 34% lower. However, having in mind company's well-diversified position, it's very likely for such a harsh bearish case to happen. Now let's see how Hyundai performs among its competitors. Its CFRY level is higher than the median, however, company's asset growth is slightly below the average, but we can expect it to improve before starting to fade. The same can be said about Hyundai's sales growth, which is lower than the average, but should rise because company is strengthening its brand image and launching new vehicle models. The effect of this strategy will be fully seen in 2015. Hyundai's operating margins are relatively high and they should not fade quickly because the company increases vehicle selling prices and reduces incentives. However, employee strikes may have a negative effect on margins. Finally, the company's asset turns are below median, which should rise together with predicted increase in sales. At the same time, invested capital should not increase because Hyundai is not planning to make huge investments in new plants, but is only increasing production in existing ones. All in all, Hyundai can be a good purchase at the moment. It's more likely that the estimated bullish scenario will happen and some of the company's financial ratios will improve before fading in the long run. This will drive the share price upwards.